This is a Sears box fan from the early 1980s. I got this off of eBay last week. It's in really good shape aside from the 3 slats that are missing in the front. Thermostat works. There's a few slats missing in the back. Other than that, it's fine. It's got the plastic motor, which I've taken apart and oiled and cleaned out. Blades are nice and clean now. One thing I do notice about this fan is it runs kind of slow at first when it hasn't been running a while. So like if the motor's cold, it'll take a while for it to get up to its full speed, especially on low. And it draws about 1 amp on low when it's cold. It drops down to 0.93 eventually. So I don't know if that's normal for these or what the deal is. Let me know if it is or not. Here's high speed. Medium. And low. Thermostat works perfect. And I oiled this thing a lot with 3-in-1 oil, so spin down time seems pretty good, to me at least. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Oh wait, one more thing. I gotta show you the model number, or the bottom of it anyway. There's a sticker, 453-812100, and this right here is the worst part of it. Other than that, it's not that bad. I can't really read what that says, but the sides of this thing are both perfect, so yeah. That is it for my 1980s Sears box fan. Thank you for watching.